Hi everybody, I am going to discuss foreign key and the subject is DVMS foreign key. What is foreign key? Foreign key are the columns or group of columns Foreign keys are the column or group of columns of a table or relation that point to the primary key of another table. Primary key of another table. Foreign key are the column or group of columns of a table that point to the primary key of another table. These act as cross reference. These act as cross reference between table. These act as cross reference between tables. The foreign key are the columns or group of columns of a table that point to the primary key of another table. Foreign key is a column or group of column that creates a relationship between two tables. Using foreign key, we will implement referential integrity, that is reference of one table attribute of another reference the one attribute of one table to another table, that is referential integrity. So referential integrity is implemented with the help of foreign key. Referential integrity is implemented with the help of foreign key. It provides the link between one or more one to another table, then another table, and so on. So this is the reference between two tables. So foreign is the reference between two tables. Foreign key creates a link. Foreign key creates a link between tables. Foreign key creates a link between tables. So this is the association between two tables. For example, let us consider the example. Suppose the table name is employee. Which consists of employee ID, which consists of name, that is first name, F name, which consists of last name, L name, and city. Here this EID is the PK, is the primary key. Now another table, suppose order. Another table name is order. This consists of, suppose, order ID. This consists of order ID, order number, and employee ID. This order ID is the primary key. Now this employee ID of the order table is a foreign key of it refer to the primary key of this table. So that's why this EID is known as foreign key, that is FK. This is when the attribute of one table refer to the primary key of another table, that is EID has the attribute which is normal attribute which refer to the attribute of another table, that is the primary key of another table. So this is the basic concept of EID refer to the another table. So this is one attribute refer to the another attribute, that is known as foreign key. How to create this foreign key? suppose there is a create table. We have to create the first initial table, that is employee. Suppose create table employee, EID that is number or integer, suppose 4. App name, that is first name, that is varchar to suppose the size is 30. L name varchar to the size is suppose 30. And the city that is varchar to, and the size is suppose 40. And this, and there is a primary key. So primary key EID is the primary key. So EID is the primary key. Now this is the creation of the employee table. Now we have to create the next table, link the association between another table. So a create table, we have to provide SQL again. Create table, table name is order. Here the table name is order. Create table order, and the order ID here, order ID that is number suppose 5. Order number mean quantity, that is number, also number suppose 2, that is 2. EID is a number, that is employee ID, it is also a number. Number suppose this one is 4. Number here primary key is here primary key is order ID is the primary key. And now the foreign key FOREIGN, foreign key, name is of the foreign key is EID, and the foreign key is EID. Foreign key is EID, that is references. This is the keyword, references. Foreign ID EID references which table? References employee table, and the attribute is EID. So this is the foreign key. It refers to the primary key of another table. So foreign key is the attribute which refers to the primary key of another table. There is a link between. It is used to link between two tables. So there is a referential integrity between two tables. So this is the concept of foreign key. Now the difference between primary key and foreign key. It's a very important question, that is difference between primary key and foreign key. What is primary key and what is foreign key? These are the basic definition. First of all, primary key is a chosen candidate key. Primary key is a chosen candidate key, that is selected candidate key. Minimum attributes that is uniquely identified is a chosen candidate key that uniquely defines a tuple in a relation. So this is the basic definition of primary key. Number 1, foreign key in a table. Refer to the primary key. Foreign key in a table refer to the primary key of other table. So it is used to refer the primary key of other table. Now the difference too. Second difference, primary key value can never be null. This is a very important difference. Primary key value can never be null. Foreign key accept null. So primary key value can never be null. Foreign key accept null. So this is the second difference. The third one, no two tuples in a relation. Carry duplicate. No two tuple in a relation carry duplicate value for a primary key. No two tuples in a relation carry duplicate value for a primary key. Tuples can carry duplicate value. tuple can carry duplicate value for a foreign key attribute. For a foreign key attribute, tuple can carry duplicate value for a foreign key attributes. So this is the third difference. Next, there can be only one primary key. There can be only one primary key. There can be only one primary key. There can be multiple foreign key. There can be multiple foreign key in a relation. There can be multiple foreign key in a relation. So this is the difference 4. Next, we can insert a value. We can insert a value to a primary key. We can insert a value to a primary key attribute. We can insert a value to a primary key attribute even if the reference foreign key does not have that value in the column, in its column. We can insert a value in the primary key even the references foreign key does not have that value in its column. So this is the fifth difference. We cannot insert a value to a foreign key. We cannot insert a value to a foreign key if that value. We cannot insert a value to a foreign key if that value is not present in the references primary key column. In the references primary key column, we cannot insert a value in the foreign key if that value is not present in the references primary key column. Good. Now the insertion, now the deletion. Before we delete a primary key, value, make sure that the value is not still present. In the referencing table. Before you delete a primary key, the value, make sure that the value is not still present in the referencing table. We can delete a value from foreign key. Without bothering whether that value is present in reference relation. So we can delete a value from foreign key without bothering whether that value is present in the reference relation. So these 5 and 6 very interesting concept. Let us consider the example. Suppose the table name is student. One table name is student, which consists of name, role, and department ID. So this is the first table. Another table is department ID. Another table is suppose department. Name of the table is department, which consists of department ID and department name, which consists of department ID and D name. So here role is the primary key. And here this department ID this department ID refer to the this is the primary key. This is the primary key. This department ID refer to the primary key of this one. So it is a foreign key. This department ID is not a primary key. It is referred to the primary key of this table, department table. So here department ID of the student table is a foreign key. Department ID of the student table is a foreign key because it referred to the primary key of department table. So it referred to the primary key of department table. Primary key of department, that is. Consider the example. Suppose a table name is student, which consists of student name, that is name, which consists of name, role and marks. Name, role and department. Suppose এখানে একটা টেবিল আছে যেটা নেম, রোল আর ডিপার্টমেন্ট। একটা টেবিল আছে সাপোজ ডিপার্টমেন্ট বলে, সেই ডিপার্টমেন্ট টেবিলটার মধ্যে আছে ডিপার্টমেন্ট অ্যান্ড দ্য ডিপার্টমেন্ট নেম, ডি নেম। হিয়ার this is department ID. Suppose this is department ID. Here role is a primary key and department ID is a primary key. তো আমি এই ডিপার্টমেন্ট আইডিটা যেটা রেফার করছে কাকে, এই প্রাইমারি কিটাকে, সো এটা হচ্ছে ফরেন কি। So this is the independent table. Suppose department ID is D101 and department name is BTech, and D102 department name is BCA, D103 department is suppose MTech. Now suppose I want to insert any name is Amit, role is 1. It referred to the primary key of another table, so it referred to the primary key of D101. তো এখানে যখনই আমরা ইনসার্ট করছি it referred to the, এখানে থাকতেই হবে সেটা। যদি আমি এখানে কোনো ইনসার্ট করি সাপোজ সুমিত 10, সুমিত 2 D104 ইনসার্ট করলাম, যখন এই 104 ইনসার্ট করবো তো এই 104টা ডেফিনেটলি এই যে 104টা ইনসার্ট করলাম, এই 104টা এখানে না থাকলে এটা রেফার করতে পারবে না। তো এখানে যখন ইনসার্ট করছি আমরা ফরেন কিতে, তখন সেই ভ্যালুটা এখানে থাকতেই হবে, তবেই সেটা ইনসার্ট করা যাবে। সাপোজ দিস ইজ বিটেক, তো এটা কানেক্ট করবে এর সাথে, এটা কানেক্ট করবে এখানে। তো আমি যদি নিউ কিছু কলাম রো অ্যাট্রিবিউট করি D105 সাপোজ MCA, তো এটা এই যে রোটা এন্ট্রি করলাম এখানে, সেটা এখানে না থাকতে পারে, কারণ বিকজ এই অ্যাট্রিবিউট যে রোটা আমি যেটা রেফার করতে চাইছে না কেউ, D104কে রেফার করছে, এটা যখন আমি এখানে ইনসার্ট করবো তখন এখানে থাকতেই হবে, বাট এখানে যখন ইনসার্ট করবো সেটা না থাকলেও চলবে। সো দিস ইজ দ্য কনসেপ্ট অফ ইনসার্শন থিং। দ্যাটস মিন when we insert a value into the primary key, when we insert a value into the primary key attribute, even the referencing foreign key does not have that value in this column. Even the referencing value does not have in this column. So this is the case when we insert a value to the primary key attribute. When you insert the value to the primary key attribute, the referencing foreign key does not have that value in this column. এখানে যেমন 105 but এখানে নেই। We cannot insert a value, but we cannot insert a value in the foreign key. We cannot insert a value in the foreign key if that value is not present. We cannot, if the value is not present here, then we cannot insert. যদি আমরা D10 এখানে 6 ইনসার্ট করি, এখানে না থাকে যদি, তাহলে এটা পসিবল হবে না। তো এখানে ইনসার্ট করলে সেটা এখানে প্রেজেন্ট থাকতে হবে, কারণ এটা ওখানে রেফার করবে। সো দিস ইজ দ্য ইনসার্শন কেস। নাও দ্য ডিলিশন কেস। সাপোজ আই ডিলিট D103 রো, যদি এটা ডিলিট করে দিই, যেহেতু এই রোটা এই টেবিলে আছে এবং স্টুডেন্ট টেবিলে নেই, তো এই রোটা যদি ডিলিট করি, সে এই রোয়ের এফেক্ট তো অরিজিনাল টেবিল স্টুডেন্ট যে ফরেন কি যেখানে আছে এফেক্ট হবে না, কারণ কি D103কে রেফারেন্স করছে না। সাপোজ আই ডিলিট D104, দেন দেয়ার উইল বি এরর বিকজ D104 ইজ কানেক্টেড টু দিস D104। তো যদি আমরা D104 যেটা ডিলিট করে দিই, এটা রেফারেন্স হয়ে আছে বলে এটাকে ডিলিট করা যাবে না। বাট যদি এরকম হয় আমরা এই 101টাকে ডিলিট করে দিলাম, তো 101টাকে যখন ডিলিট করতে যাবো এখানে এক্সিস্ট করছে, সো এটাও ডিলিট করা পসিবল হবে না। যেই রোগুলো ডিলিট করবো সেই রোটা যেন রেফারেন্স না হয়, আদারওয়াইজ ইউ ক্যান, ইফ যদি রেফারেন্স না হয় দেন ইউ ক্যান ডিলিট, আদারওয়াইজ দেয়ার ইজ এ প্রবলেম অফ ডিলিশন। কেন কি রেফারেন্স ফরেন কি ইজ রেফারেন্স দ্য প্রাইমারি কি অফ অ্যানাদার টেবিল, তো ডিলিট করার সময় দিস টেবিল ইজ লিঙ্কড উইথ অ্যানাদার টেবিল, সো দেয়ার ইজ এ প্রবলেম অফ ডিলিশন।